Oh, she's running? Oh, she's pregnant.
Wow. Hey, B.
What's up?
Where'd you get the shirt?
I'm glad you asked, Gonzo.
Because I don't have one.
I don't have one either, actually. I'm borrowing this one. LVCopsTV merchandise.
Coming soon?
Coming soon. Or if there's a link up there, click on it. If there's no link, then we don't have it yet.
Steve will figure it out.
Steve will figure it out. It'll be in the description. What camera am I looking at? This one? It'll be in the description. I don't know.
All right. So we're down south for this next clip.
Okay.
EMT's at a call.
I love the South.
Right?
Yeah,
EMT's there. They're there to help somebody who fell down.
Okay.
And they called the officers for assistance because
so they've fallen and can't get up?
They fall and they can't get up.
I hate when that happens.
In the South. So
okay.
They called the cops for assistance because there's a disturbance there.
After the fall.
Yep.
All right. Hi. What you doing, boy?
I guess this is the South, eh?
I do love the South. How you doing, boy? What's up? She's running? Is that the girl who fell?
No, she's about to, though.
Oh.
Get on the ground.
Oh.
Roll over.
Roll
over.
Oh, she's pregnant.
I don't think
or
so.
Maybe not. Okay.
I don't think so. You better be careful. Be careful, bro.
I did say that once.
Female, sorry.
And I've never said it again in my entire career.
Why are you running?
I'm sorry. If she's not pregnant,
Why are you
I'm sorry.
Mom, they listened to mom back in the South.
Mom told me to run?
Yep.
Okay. Maybe mom should tell you to jump off a bridge. She's going to do that too.
Bringing out the cuffs already. All right, so this is the EMT. That's the EMT that's there to help him, but he's there for a different call altogether.
Okay. So he's there to help the guy who fell, but now he's helping the cop because he's by himself.
Right.
Okay.
Roll over and give me your hand.
I mean, she is rolling over. She's rolling over. She's on her stomach. Oh.
What happened? Somebody's shooting.
Holy jeez.
Somebody's shooting, and he's running.
Sweet justice. We got shots fired. Shots fired. We need help.
He left the EMTs.
He left the EMTs. Like, fuck y'all.
EMTs are deputized.
Billy Joe, Jim Bob, get the crew. You got to get down to the trailer house. Shots fired. I kid, but I love the South. I love the accents.
You know it's a small department because they call him by first name, Justin.
Yeah, if you're calling by first name, there's like 3-4 cops.
Yeah.
Do you see him? I don't see him.
No, I think he's in between the two trailers over here.
So, what's up with the chick? She just laying there on the ground?
No, the EMT's on her.
EMT's still on her?
Yeah, dude.
So the cop returned fire and runs?
Yeah.
Okay. Not the best tactic, but okay.
Remember, small department, dude. Backups miles away, right?
Yeah.
That was getting out of there. I think he's right there.
Okay.
Right there somewhere.
Okay.
Look at these EMTs, man. They're just holding it down, man.
Get the on the ground. You gotta keep your hands where I can see them. Get the on the ground.
Yeah.
You gotta keep your. You stay the on the ground.
She's still not in cuffs.
No.
Where I can see them.
He's right there by that tree.
You keep your hands where I can see them.
Is he?
Yeah.
I'm trying to use my good eye, and I still can't see him.
Well, it's not the best camera
Let me
angle,
use my other eye.
right?
Steve,
work on the zoom.
Well, as long as he sees him, I don't have to see him.
Yeah.
He ain't shooting at me. Is that him right there?
Yep. Right in there. Yep.
Next to that green thing?
Yep.
What is that green thing? Like a kind of armoire or something in the middle of the woods? Sorry. It's down south. I got you. We're here.
Right here.
Don't you shoot my baby daddy.
These country boys, man, I tell you what, they're a different breed, man.
They're funny, man.
I don't like how he's standing behind him with his gun out.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
He would probably shoot him before he even got to him.
Yeah.
You keep your hands where I can see them.
He's right there.
You better not
He's
move.
right there.
You keep your hands just stay put. You better not move.
So the title is his officer has a panic attack.
Oh, okay. Well, he's
doing good.
yeah. I mean, he's doing the best he can
He's
right
a
now.
little stressed out. You can hear
Well,
his
of course
breathing.
he's stressed. He just shot. I don't know if
Yeah.
somebody shot at him.
Yeah.
Did he shoot at him first?
I think shots came downrange from somebody.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know if he got shot at and return fire or.
Yeah, he definitely shot back.
Yeah, he definitely did that. I saw that. That
Uh-oh.
southern mouth is going.
Listen to him. Wow. You know what he experienced, right? Adrenaline dump.
Yeah.
That's exactly what happened.
Oh my gosh.
EMT is going to get 12 donuts. I'm telling you that right now.
Dude, what's going on with him? Is he having a heart attack or something?
I read the details that he might have experienced a minor issue.
A what? A minor issue.
Panic
That's
attack.
not a minor issue. That's a major issue.
Well,
the EMT has his gun.
I know.
So
Look at it. Look at the EMT.
EMT.
He's got
I love how as soon as the EMT touched the gun, he turned into a cop. You see him? Get on the ground. Shut your mouth. See how fast it happens?
it's the badge.
This dude is losing it.
Yeah. Yeah.
God, he's over here now.
I have never seen that happen in my life. I mean, I've seen people break down
Yeah.
after everything was all said and done.
After it's static.
I've never seen somebody like this. I've never seen a paramedic have to hold a cop's gun. Not
Yeah.
here in Vegas, ever.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is not proper. This is not good.
Yeah.
This cop is not doing well.
No.
Oh, I'm okay. I'm okay. Yeah. I got it. I'm okay.
I don't know about that.
I'd be like, dude, you know what?
I'd be saying to transport
Yeah. Yeah.
the person that fell in this cop,
I'm the cop.
right?
Yeah. He doesn't sound good.
No.
He sounds scared
Yeah.
out of his mind. That's what he sounds.
All right. I think that's about it, Steve. Here's his buddy right there.
Oh, just walking up.
Yep.
Oh, he's putting gloves on. That's is that an EMT? That's not a cop.
I think that's a cop.
Is it?
I don't know. But anyway. So,
That's horrible.
country boy shall survive, right? How the
Yeah.
song goes.
Yeah. I'm almost speechless. I don't understand. I mean, I get it. But again, that's why we train.
But-
you shouldn't break down like that
Listen.
in the middle of an incident.
I'm gonna break this down to you. I get there, but listen, my brother was a Idaho State patrolman for many years.
Yep, I
right?
remember. Yep.
I went on a ride along with him one time.
Right.
It was the most boringest thing we've ever done because there's no action, right?
Right.
What we do in one day here, or maybe let's say a week, is what they would do in a year, right?
That's true. Yeah.
We're see it all the time that we deal with it all the time.
Yeah. Vegas is probably one of the best cities to be a cop in because you will see everything every day.
Yep.
There isn't. There's nothing that's going to surprise you here in Vegas.
No.
We have seen so much. Yeah. It's.
I mean, our adrenaline
So I guess
spikes.
we get used to it.
We'll
Yeah,
get
my
hot.
adrenaline. We used to get adrenaline spikes sometimes 8-10 times a day.
Yeah. Yeah.
I met guys that said, "Yeah, I pulled out my gun 3 times in my entire career."
Yeah, we do it every call.
And I'm like, "Dude, I've pulled out my gun 10 times in a night.
yep.
That's nothing for Vegas."
Yep.
I mean,
Especially where we worked down on Trop and Dean Martin back in the day.
Yeah.
That was a rough little neighborhood
it's a
there.
very rough neighborhood. Yeah,
Right.
but that's why
Paul
we
Four,
That's
right?
why we liked working there.
Yeah, I know.
It was
I know.
fun.
I know. So
It was a good time.
I don't know the details of this call. I don't know what happened to the officer, if he still got put on admin leave. I'm sure he did because his medical episode cut on tape.
Yeah,
Right?
that has to be addressed.
But
That has to be addressed.
they're just not hardened. I don't want to say hardened, but that's what it is. You're not hardened to a stressful situation. You don't know how to handle it, and maybe he's not in shape. Doesn't
That
know
could
how
be
to-
the case too. Yeah,
there's
we
a
never
lot
even
of
got
things,
to see him.
right?
But yeah,
Right?
I mean,
So-
It sucks, but again, that's why you need to train, America. That's why cops train. He needs to be in situations like this, so when it happens, this doesn't happen.
Yeah.
Because I've never seen this happen in Vegas in my entire career.
Me neither. Me neither.
So, well, I hope the cop gets help, and I hope the girl's okay.
Jeez.
I hope she's pregnant.
Good. Not by
I'm never going to hear the end of that in the comments.
Not by her cousin. Good clip, Steve.
Okay.
So I apologize.
You went too far.
I apologize. I apologize.
All right. Leave a comment below if you think the cop did it. Oh, that's right. You got to rate donuts. Oh, come on. Are you serious? What do you think?
I'm giving 12 donuts to that EMT.
I'm giving 12 donuts as well. 12
Right.
donuts. We agree on 12 donuts.
Yep.
12 donuts for the EMT
Yep.
because he handled business. See how calm he was? So apparently the EMTs do a lot more work than the cops do in the small towns.
Well, stressful situations,
Stressful
right?
situations.
Farming
So,
incidents,
Yep.
horse implements, and stuff like that.
Okay, yeah, we'll end it
Leave
with
that alone. Go ahead.
But yeah, the EMT did a great job. The cop, he did not do a good job. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I mean, I'd have to give him
Two.
two.
Well, dude.
Okay, yeah, he showed up. We'll give him 2 for showing up to the call.
Yeah.
You get 2 just for showing up.
Yeah. Yep.
See how easy that is?
Yep. Yep.
All right, leave your comments below whether you think it was a mess, disaster. Woof. I think it was a disaster.
Hey, if you know what happened to him, let us know in the comments.
Yeah, if you know
Right?
the dude or you know what happened, let us know.
Yeah.
But also ask us anything at ask@LVCopsTV. Anything you want, we'll answer live on video. Like and subscribe, all that stuff. Click on a button here. It's somewhere. You'll find it.
And for those who are still serving, have a safe tour duty.
And make a difference in someone's life. Stay classy, Las Vegas.
Always. Dude, I would have given that guy CPR right then and there.